Hello, it's me Samin again, and today we are going to learn about 30 keyboard shortcuts that we need to be more productive on our daily to daily life. So even if this video focuses on Windows, these shortcuts also work in Mac or Linux. Just replace the control button with command and the alt button with option in Mac. So the first shortcut is pressing alt and tab together. So if I press alt and tab together, you can see all the programs I have open right now. So this is basically program switch. Suppose you have many programs open just like me, Chrome, not Notepad, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Just use this command to switch to your desired program and release the button where you want to go. So suppose I want to go to Chrome, so I will just use this command this way. The next keyboard shortcut is pressing alt and F4 together, and after that if I press enter, the PC will shut down. So this is another keyboard shortcut you can use. Suppose we are in our browser right now, and pressing alt F4, this is another keyboard shortcut. Pressing alt F4 directly will close down all the programs. So just saw that this keyboard shortcut closed all the programs together. Suppose I'm in my Chrome browser right now. Okay, so I want to minimize this window. So what I need to press is just press window and D together. It will show your desktop directly. And suppose we now want to go to our Chrome browser, just press this window D again and you will be back in your Chrome browser. So this was another keyboard shortcut. So the next one is, suppose I want to save this notepad document in my computer. So what I need to do is just press this is a common one, you might know this one. So the keyboard shortcut is Control and S together, and after that you can save the document you want to. The next keyboard shortcut is pressing Control and N together. So as you saw, this just opened a blank document. This is very useful for any MS Office users because it opens a blank document just by using your keyboard. So Control N is the shortcut. So now if I go to my browser again, suppose I want to create a new tab. The way we create the new tab is we hover our mouse in here and press it, and this creates a new tab. So suppose I want to create this new tab from my keyboard. All I need to do is press Ctrl and D. So this will create new tabs without using your mouse. So this is a really helpful keyboard shortcut. And suppose I want to open my history right now. The way we generally open history is just pressing this one, and after that we press the history button to see our history. But I'm going to use the keyboard for it, so you just need to press Ctrl and H together. It will show you your history. And after this one, the next keyboard shortcut is pressing Ctrl Shift and Delete together. Ctrl Shift and Delete. So you can delete your cache just using this keyboard shortcut. So the next keyboard shortcut is suppose I want to go to my incognito mode. Okay, so now we do this by using our mouse, but we can do it more easily by just clicking Ctrl Shift and N together. It will open our incognito mode from your keyboard. So after that you can use this keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl J together. This will open your download menu. So this just opened my download menu from pressing Ctrl J together from my keyboard. So the next keyboard shortcut is pressing Ctrl D. So this will bookmark any website or URL you want to bookmark. Just press Ctrl plus D. So suppose when we want to like, so suppose when we want to open a new tab, we generally use the mouse and press the right one and open click in new tab, but sometimes it really is not the productive way to do things. So the shortcut you can use is just press Ctrl, and if you just press your mouse, this will automatically like create new tab. You don't have to just go to every single one of them and right click this way. So this is a more proficient way of doing things. So the next keyboard shortcut is pressing Ctrl Shift and T together. This will bring back the last tab you just closed. Suppose I've closed this tab, but this was really helpful from me. Sometimes it happens. So this keyboard shortcut is a lifesaver. Just press Ctrl Shift and T. So as you can see here, the blog we just deleted appeared again. So this one is really helpful. The next keyboard shortcut is pressing Ctrl Alt and Delete together. This is also very useful. Suppose sometimes your software hangs or PC gets stopped, you can close it all by pressing this command. Just press Ctrl Alt and Delete button. After doing that, this screen will appear and you can do whatever you want. So the next keyboard shortcut is pressing Ctrl Z together. This undoes things, and another one related to is press Ctrl and Y together. So suppose I have written here my name. Okay, so suppose I want to just clear this one. Just press Ctrl and Z together. This will clear my name. So suppose you don't want to clear, you want the text. So just press Ctrl and Y. This will redo the thing. So the next keyboard shortcut is you just need to press Ctrl and C together. This is a very common shortcut. You just need to press Ctrl C, and after that the next keyboard shortcut is pressing Ctrl V together to paste the command or the thing you just copied. Another useful keyboard shortcut is sometimes we want to zoom the window, so we can do that. Just press Ctrl and plus. You can see it is zooming in. And now if we want to just zoom out, just press Ctrl and minus key, so this will zoom out. So suppose you are reading a blog post, but you want to go to the end of the post, so the keyboard shortcut to do it is just press Ctrl and end. This will take you to the end of this block. And suppose now you want to go to the top of the block, just press Ctrl and home button. As you can see, you are in the beginning of the block. So now suppose you want to take a screenshot of this block. You can the way you can take it from your keyboard is just press Win and print screen. So you just saw a blink, so it took a screenshot of this block. So this is how you can take a screenshot from your keyboard. So the next keyboard shortcut is, suppose sometimes we need to open the run box and type some commands. You can easily open the run box by pressing Windows and R together. As you can see, it just opened my run box. And suppose from this block you want a specific word like BMW. So suppose you want to find the BMW word, the keyboard shortcut that will help you is just press Ctrl and F together. Just after pressing Ctrl and F together, you will see a box here. Just type the text you want to see. As you can see, I typed BMW, and it has highlighted the texts where this word is available. This is also a very helpful command. So suppose sometimes we want to screen record our screen. The shortcut of doing that from your keyboard is pressing Windows Alt and R together. So as you can see, the recording has started, and this is how you screen record in Windows 11. Just press Windows Alt and R. So this was a handy keyboard shortcut. So the last one I want to show you is just press Windows and semicolon together. This will surprise you. As you can see, we also can use emojis, GIFs also. So this is how we can use emojis in our computer. So the command is Windows and semicolon. So this was all from me today. I will be back with more useful videos. Till then, keep liking them and subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.